Chapter 4, Cellular Respiration by Leslie Gutierrez. Question 6. Explain how the reaction of cellular respiration releases chemical energy. Here in this picture we'll show you what cellular respiration is doing. The meaning of cellular respiration is produced that's transferring energy, which is food, from molecules and making it available for cellulars to use. And here in this picture we'll show you what is cellular respiration doing. When cellular respiration occurs, glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen to produce carbon and water. Energy releasing during the reaction is capable by the energy molecule of ATP. Here in this picture we'll show you cellular respiration with the sunlight, plant cellulars, animals. It shows also carbon dioxide and water. In this last slideshow, it just shows you a picture of what the release of energy doing a cell respiration. Also, here's a picture showing cell respiration, the process by cell in plants and animals breaking down sugar and energy and turning it into energy. And thank you for watching.